Today's organizations generate and collect increasingly strategic data assets that are used to manage and grow their business. These critical assets are often vulnerable and subject to multiple attacks. At Orange Business Services, our experts can help you face your security challenges thanks to the cloud. On Flexible Engine, back up and store your critical data assets. Through our wide array of security features, you can encrypt your data to meet the highest security standards. You can protect your business and customer facing applications from attacks with our web application firewall solutions. Flexible Engine features native anti-DDoS protection at the platform level. Security operations and maintenance are guaranteed by Orange Cyber Defense, who ensure 24/7 supervision and related countermeasures. You can manage your virtual network environment, improving security of resources in a public cloud and simplifying network deployment. Through our operator expertise, we guarantee bandwidth stability and worldwide accessibility. As a European company, Orange Business Services complies with the GDPR, local regulations, and best-in-class cloud certifications. We operate services under European legislation. Simplify your security transformation with Orange Business Services' trusted cloud, Flexible Engine. Our experts will provide you with a comprehensive cloud-based solution that offers you end-to-end protection and peace of mind. Contact our experts at cloud.orange-business.com and define your cloud security strategy.